liquid or solid quickly, and solid could go to vapor very quickly in extreme conditions if it's really hot. So basically you have to go beyond the boiling water rate to about 1000 Kelvin up, which is about very hot. And if you want to see, and if you put it, if you really do that with water, you have to go up to 373.15 Kelvin to get the boiling water rate. And if you want to see the atoms really move, get sand, put it inside, and then watch the sand move in a vortex. It's just going around and around. And the reason why is because if you touch water in when you just heated it up, the top part will not be hot because it's the lowest part. It's the highest part where the heat can't reach yet. But because the vortex is happening, all the hot water on the bottom starts to go so hot that it's just going to turn into air, and it's going to separate, and it's going to go up and make a vortex. So then the cold water will go down in its replacement, and after that it's going to go until no water is left. So if you put it in a very little one, most likely you're not going to do it. If you do this thing on Mercury, it's going to be a very, you have to use a slow motion camera because it is 4 times more hotter than boiling water there. So put water, it's going to heat up quickly. Same thing with Venus, just way more faster. So and the reason why is something called convection. And that's the reason. Another thing. So that's why also when you touch like metal when in hot water, it's gonna be very hard because the atoms are moving way more faster and getting farther apart in solids. So that's why it melts in ice. But if you touch such parts, it's really hot because metal is a very malleability is really easy for getting heat. So if you did that again with anything, it's gonna be hot. And the reason why is because friction is caused when that happened, and the atoms go faster than normal. The atoms go faster than normal, and then they cause friction with your hand, causing that to make your hand really hot. And then reaction time tells how fast you are gonna get the heat and get it out.